Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve an Audacity error code 9999, unanticipated host error, and then there is an error opening the recording device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the privacy tile. On the left side underneath app permissions, select microphone. So underneath where it says allow apps access to your microphone, if you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your microphone by using the settings on this page. So the master control access is just set to on. Otherwise, if you just want to turn it off for all apps, you can just toggle this to the off position. If you turn it to the on position, you can then just customize and go app by app down here. So you just scroll down and customize it depending on what applications you want to give it access to. Because obviously if you're using a camera or Skype, it can definitely mess it up if you disable your microphone function. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.